Stateroom 12,000 on the Disney Treasure. This is a Concierge 1-bedroom suite with extended veranda. And you can see it's a very nice size living area here. And the veranda is super windy, so I'm not going to go out there, but you can see how big it is here. Up here on the front side of the ship. And lots of storage space. Here is the bedroom. And this is Lion King themed. You'll see this beautiful tile work there above the tub. Shower and bathroom. And that's it.